song bows to no one.
The world needs calm.
There's something provoking into war.
Hi guys, what is going on? We are headed to ACO Dragway to try and see if we can dial in the suspension and get a better time than we did last time. Yeah, so basically today's goal is to just try and dial in the suspension. I'm not really going to care if I go out and run a 10 or whatever. We get it, that's, yeah, I'm going to be amazed, but these last couple track visits and no traction, I'm not shooting for the stars right now. I just want to see if we can get better traction every time. And if we can start hooking and better, running better, then I can throw on the hot tune that we got, basically, and try to get even faster. But the main goal today, dial in the suspension, find the proper tire pressure, and try and get down the track with a clean pass. That's the main goal. Hopefully we can do it and run a really good time. And, you know, if not, then we got more tweaking to do. So I'll see if I got to find, like I said, I still have double adjustable shocks, or I have single adjustable shocks in the rear. And if I can't hook with the singles, I'll have to go to the doubles so we can get better, you know, we can dial it in more with compression or rebound on there. And go from there, guys. So I'll see you at ACO, and hopefully we have a great day. All right, guys, we're here in the staging lanes. As you see, I'm the only one here. I'm always usually first here at ACO. Ram is ready. We got the suspension a little stiffer because we were bouncing way too much of how soft it was. Tire pressure was around the same. I had a lot of guys say the tire pressure looked good. So on my only decent pass, we had about 19.5. So I put it to 20. We're going to play with that. This is, like I said, it's going to be first pass. We don't even know if we're going to hook. I don't expect to hook really ever with this truck because it's so hard. But yeah, as you can see, we're letting it cool off. Get the blower nice and cold. Yeah, tire pressure set. We have the suspension set stiffer. We're ready to go. I'm just hoping to make clean passes and get this dialed in. And then once we get her dialed in with the suspension and tire pressure, then we can put on the hot tune and see what we can go. But if we dead hook, we should run a 10. We should easily run a 10 as long as we hook. But like I said, hooking is the hardest part. And I'm just here to have fun. Everyone said, Nick, stop getting so beat up on yourself. So hopefully today we just have some fun, get some good passes. Maybe we'll find a good race, because ACO, I usually find better races at ACO than I do at Cecil. More street cars come here, in my opinion. So have a good time, guys, and I'll meet with you guys after that first pass. Guys, first pass, yes, we spun. Draggy set 11.3. We got the draggy working. So we'll see. I did stiffen the suspension up. Felt like we hooked, and then we spun a little bit. So we'll see what the time slip says. Like I said, draggy set 11.3, so probably an 11.2, which is usually a tenth or half a tenth faster. So I'm not expecting to run a 10 today unless we can dead hook on this thing, and we'll see what this time slip says. If we can hook, man, we're going to get the 10, but we got to be able to hook. We did stiffen the suspension up some, so we will see. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good mile an hour, 123. 11.265. Yeah, what I call it, 11.2. Yep. All right, gonna get back out, guys. Get another pass in. I don't want to hot lap too much. The DA's pretty good DA. It's like, I think it was like 300 when I passed. It wasn't too bad. So we just got to hook, man. We get that down. We got a 10. We got a 10 if we could get that down. Like I said, my 60 foot was a 1717. My best 60 foot ever on pump gas was 149. And with the more power that we're making, we should be able to do one, and that 149, who knows? So the more power that we're making, we should be able to do like a 145 if we can hook and book and go. Now, if we can do that, yes, we will get that 10.9. So it all depends on traction today, and it's basically just testing it out and seeing where we're at. And I don't have any video people here to help me see if we spun or how our suspension's looking. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go another run on this suspension, and we will try and see if it works a little bit better. If not, I'll stiffen it up more, because maybe it bounced. I don't know. I don't have anyone here to help me. So guys, yeah, we're going to see what we can get and hopefully get a better pass. Actually spun worse on that one, and I let out and got back in it. I have no idea what it's going to be. It's not going to be good. It's going to be like a fucking 11.9 or 12. Who knows? But it is not running. Yeah, we can't get traction. So, yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm trying different things out. So I may try to tweak the suspension the other way, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see some things, and I might take a little break, because this is just, it got worse already after the second pass. Thank you. Yeah, it was like a 1.960 foot. I let it out, got back in it. It's just, what I run, a 12 hour, I think it said. 12 hour, yeah. Who cares? Same thing, guys. Nothing's changing. Blew the tires right off again. I went down in suspension that time. I don't know what to do, how to tweak it. Soft, stiff, medium. It's just blowing them right off the line. I am going to try something different on another run. I'm not going to just hit it off idle, because I think it's just too violent. Maybe I'm going to try and load on the converter a little. It may help hook. I don't know. So we're going to try that next pass. This is, I think, an 11.3. I think that Draggy said 11.41. Said I blew the tires off. I kind of let out a little bit as they were blowing and got back in it. Like, not fully off though. Like, just eased off the pedal some, and then pushed it back down once I started. You know, I noticed the tires weren't spinning as much. So, but I'm going to try and load on the converter and see if that helps. I always get my fastest times off idle, but that's if I hook. I cannot hook for the life of me. Thank you. So what I'm going to try with 11.3 is my guess at 122. Yep. 11.38. Okay. I'm not worried about it. I'm just getting smoked here. So yeah, we're going to try and see, try to load on the converter. At least try and get the 60 and the 1.6s. I don't think we're going to get 1.4s unless we can monsterly dead hook. So we are going to load on the converter a little bit and let it like about maybe 1,500, 2,000, and see if that helps at all, guys. I may do a little cool down too. There's really nobody here, so I do have all day to test this out. And yeah, we will see. I don't know if I turn my camera off. There's not racing. I'm not racing anybody. There's no cars here. It's me and like 2 BMWs. An Audi just raced, but he went solo, and the 2 BMWs are buddies. I saw them show up together, and they're just basically racing each other. I'm running pretty fast times, though. 11s for everybody, even me. I mean, I'm not running fast, but I'm running. So get another pass in and try our best to hook. Literally, see what we can do, guys. Guys, we actually didn't spin on that run, but I jumped. Like, I let out. I loaded up the converter and it instantly hit, and then I let off because I wasn't ready for it. So I don't think it was that good, to be honest, but I don't know. We'll see. See what the slip says. I think it said 11.5. Like, it was weird. The way it felt was weird. Like, the way it hit, and then I got it. That's why I like going off idle. If it hooks, it just goes. It just goes. Should have looked at the audio of the log. Damn it. I just erased the log by accident. It's alright. Not like it's a good run anyway. I'm going to try that same exact thing again, to be honest, and get one more pass and see if we can. Thank you. My worst 60 of the day, actually. 11.447. So I actually did better spinning like a mofo off the line than I did loading on the converter. 178.60, really? Didn't, like I said, it didn't spin, but it was like a very slow acceleration into it. Just had another pass. Same thing. It's blowing the tires off horrendously. I talked to Stuart. He said stiffen them up all the way. I don't know what's going on. I can't say. I have no one here to help me. So I'm just gonna head home for the day. Got 5 passes in. Not one was a good pass. First pass of the day was the best. And other than that, it just kept getting hotter and hotter and hotter. So, I mean, like IATs, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Just a little frustrated, but I knew this was going to happen. I wasn't expecting to go out and get a 10. Just happy to go out and race and have a good day, but I don't want to be out here just beating the crap out of my truck and just nothing's even getting better. So, it's probably going to be the last pass of the day until we figure out some more suspension things. Let's see how bad this was, 11.9. 12-0. Yeah. It's bad. Terribly, terribly, terribly bad, guys. Not the best day. Sucks, but I wish it was. I wish I could figure this out, man. There's always another time. I think I possibly went with the wrong tire, I'm hearing now. So what I'm going to do is go into the parking lot and just get ready to get out of here. Nothing's looking too good, and I don't want to be here all day for the next 4 hours just beating on it without testing things. I don't know yet. I might try another thing.
supercharger.